Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change Wi-Fi password. Let's get started. First, make sure your computer or phone is connected to Wi-Fi network that you want to change the password for. Next, open a web browser and type your root's IP address into the address bar. If you're not sure, you can usually find this on the back of your router or by checking your network settings. Now log in with your router's username and password. By default, many routers use admin or password. But if you change it before, use your custom login details. Once you're logged in, look for wireless settings, Wi-Fi settings, or security settings. The exact name depends on your router brand, but it usually under wireless or network. Here, you'll see an option for your Wi-Fi password, sometimes called pre-shared key or wireless password. Delete the old one, type in your new password, and make sure it's strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, click Save or Apply. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.